This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kari Ross. Charming updated townhome centrally located minutes from shopping, bases, beaches, and dining. Enjoy relaxing or entertaining in this spacious open floor plan featuring all new LVP flooring and carpet throughout, stainless steel appliances, replacement glass windows, light fixtures, upstairs vanity and mirror, fresh paint. Newer HVAC 2020. This gym has a privacy fenced in backyard area with patio and outdoor storage shed. Move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.